In this question, we have been given that all the chords of the hyperbola, they pass through a point h comma k, and we have to prove that the locus of the middle point of these chords is also hyperbola. So let us assume a hyperbola first. X square over a square minus y square over b square equals to 1. Now we have to write the equation of the chord whose middle point is given, which is, as we know, t is equals to s1. So now writing this equation, we have x1 over a square minus y1 over b square minus 1 equals to x1 square over a square minus y1 square over b square minus 1. Now second step is we know these chords pass from this point h comma k. So this point should satisfy this equation. So let us put h comma k in this equation. H x1 over a square minus k y1 over b square equals x1 square minus y1 square over a square Now what we have to do is the term which includes x1, we will take that to one side, and the term which includes y1, we will take those terms to right hand side. X1 square over a square equals to k y1 over b square minus y1 square over b square. Now this equation can be written as x1 square minus h x1 over a square by taking minus common, and here y1 square minus k y1 over b square equals to 0. Now this step is very important. Now what will we do? Here we will apply the formula completing the square method. So what will we do? The coefficient of x, we equate it with 2b. 2b equals to minus h. Then we do square of b. Square of b is h square by 4, and then we add here and here. This will become x1 minus h x1 plus h square by 4, and similarly here it will become y1 square minus plus k by 4, sorry, k square by 4, and here we missed a square, and here we have b square. Now this can be written as x1 minus h by 2 whole square over a square, and this can be written as y1 minus k by 2 whole square over b square. Sorry, here we have to add the terms h square over 4 a square plus minus k square over 4 b square, 1 by 4 h square over a square minus k square by b square. So now equating this and this equals to 0, we will get the center. So x1 minus h by 2 equals to 0, and y1 minus k by 2 equals to 0. x1 h by 2 and y1 k by 2, this is our required center. x1 y1 is the center, h by 2 and k by 2.